Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to edit Instagram Reels in Canva mobile using the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First, open the Canva app. Then go to social media and choose Instagram Reels. After that, select any template you like. The template will automatically open in the Canva video editor. To replace a video or image, tap on the video you want to change, then tap replace. Next, choose a photo or video from your gallery. If you want to change the text, tap on the text you want to edit. Then type your own text. When finished, tap the check mark. After everything looks good, you can save the video to your device. Tap the upload icon at the top, then choose download. Wait for the export process to finish and your Instagram Reels video is ready. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.